A discussion with the rose about the rain, about the envelope and the soliloquy, the pasture that leaves autumn to humor, to the region of all sedentary love. How enacted, how exacted, how examined, tetrameter and all the poetic know-how without speech, without endeavors. A chuckle because of the air, because of the enacted scarf that leaves chestnuts to humor. How sedentary again the always, the trail of roses that lead to ourselves as poets. How enacted, how exacted, how examined. For humor to endure, we must be poets, must be the riddles that birds compose as songs for chestnuts. Chestnuts and humor, the enacted scarf. Chestnuts and humor, the enacted scarf. Chestnuts and humor, the enacted scarf. Chestnuts and humor, the enacted scarf.